Bryana's, welcome back to my channel. So today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas, you guys. This video will not be up today, obviously, but yeah, Merry Christmas. So I am getting ready to go sit in my grandmother's living room, and I wasn't gonna get cute today. I had just washed my hair yesterday, and not saying that my real hair not cute, but yeah, I wasn't gonna get like all done up. I was just gonna put on like leggings and just rock a curly poof, but I've been staring at this wig and I'm like, I might as well just, you know, just get cute. Why not? Why not? I did it for Thanksgiving. Why not do it for Christmas as well? So the unit that I'm going to be putting on today is from Hairvivi, and it's this one right here. So she's a layer unit, you guys. She looked really, really cute, and she's giving me 90s vibes. So this is what the hairline looks like. I've done nothing to this wig, you guys. They are getting really freaking good at plucking these hairlines. Like, I have to do nothing, and you know that it comes with the fake scalp in the inside. And then it also has the adjustable straps that I need to hook in. And this is their piano key, you guys. So I'm just doing that for anybody that's not familiar with Hairvivi. The back of this actually looks different too. So it usually has that extra piece of lace back here, but this one doesn't have the extra piece of lace. So this is new. Oh, and this is actually bigger. Sorry, I'm discovering stuff. This is bigger in here too. So usually this clip right here in the back is not this long. It's usually the same size as the ones right here, but yeah, they put a bigger one in the back. I wish they would put this in the back of headband wigs, because that small one does not be holding anything. So this should be really simple because the knots are bleached, it's pre-plucked and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this unit on, and it literally should be like a 1, 2, 3. Put it on, cut the lace, spray it down, and I should be done. Okay. I just like to line. Oh, it's got my eyelashes going all into my eyeball. Usually I like to line up the fake scalp with my natural hairline. I mean, it puts the wig a little bit on your forehead, but it's not bad, because when that fake scalp moves, it does the same thing that the stocking cap does when it's like showing through your parts sometimes. So this fit actually looks really good. Get my ears out. I do need to remove this lace on the side right here, the part that I always talk about that has no hair on it, but this is what it looks like so far. So this wig cap is showing a little bit, not the stocking cap that they put in is showing a little bit, but it's not bad. So I'm actually going to take this off just really quick to remove the side tabs, because you can't really see those. And I meant to grab my little scissors. I just have my shears right here. So this part right here, it's no hair on that. It literally just sits on top of your ear. I say this all the time. Okay, now it should be as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way. I stopped to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless.
This also looks really dark, and it does feel a little thin. So this one does feel like it's on the thinner side. I don't know if that's the look that they're going for. I'm sure you can up the density. I'm not sure of the density. I'll have it down below for you guys, but this one is definitely on the thinner side, and it's like a really silkier texture. So now lace. You guys know I don't usually cut this on my head, but this just seems so easy.
I'm living my life, don't need you in mind. Me feeling just fine, one of a kind. Who better than I? Oh, Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I don't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do, I got a lot to do, I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn, in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo.
I'm going to remove a little bit of the hair over here because it's kind of too close to my eyebrow.
We're about to show the rest what the boy can do. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I'll relocate. Oh, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe.
Okay, so now that I have the lace removed, I'm gonna go ahead and like jagged it up a bit with my smaller scissors because it just looks like it's just too straight right now.
Time that I relocate. I don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my place.
I'm gonna use this Insta Hold spray. You guys know I like to hold these side pieces. So when you spray, you want to make sure that you comb the spray like into the hair and back, because if you just let it sit, sometimes it gets like droplets. And then those droplets, when you dry them, that's how you get like that white crust, because when you start combing it out, that's why.
Don't play that. Shawty, don't play that game.
For what I have put you through, I still have you on my mind, my mind.
So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just hit my edges a little bit. If I unlock it, what's it doing? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this olive oil mousse because it's looking like just a little elevated up in here, like the roots is not completely flat.
My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night.
And then I'm just gonna hit the part with a little powder, just because I can see my second wig cap under the wig cap that they have already in the wig.
But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight.
So yeah, this is definitely on the thinner side, but I like it with this look. Again, you could probably up the density, but this is just the one that they sent me. So yeah, rocking no baby hairs at all today. I'm gonna go ahead and put my outfit on and then I'll be back. Okay, love, so I am all done. But yeah, this is the hair. I think it's really cute. Again, it is on the thinner side, but it goes with the look to me because it looks like natural hair to me. Just like a really nice silk press. So this is the back. And how thick it is. But yeah, I am all done and now I can finally head to my grandma's house because I was supposed to be there at 1:30 and it is 1:40 right now. You guys know me and time do not get along. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next one.
Here tonight, and I'm